Free, free, free. Yes, it's a free masterpiece AI generated thingy on the internet. I'll give you the website here. It's ai-art.tokyo/en. And as I scroll on down, it says select a photo from your library. So I'm going to select here with this blue button. And the first picture I'm going to try here is a kitty cat portrait. I'm going to open him up. And now the AI artist is observing the facial features, hopefully of the cat, because cats are people too. Now, what I love about these AI is sometimes you get some absolutely horrific results like this one here. However, down underneath, you can actually select the different style of the art. And so we're going to see here if it's going to make it any better. Terrible. Absolutely horrific. So as you can see, sometimes these AI things are pretty stupid. All right, we're selecting a different kitty now. It says here the AI artist couldn't even find the face. So obviously it's not designed to find cats. It is discriminating against cats. Let's try a human being. And we're going to select the guy here. So this is the guy with the cigarette. We'll see if this is any better. You can see it just cropped the photo to make it a face. And now we can select down at the bottom the different styles of artwork. So there he is there. Lost the mustache. That's interesting. Yeah, the original photo, he had a mustache. So again, this is a free tool. Your individual results may vary, but it is kind of cool though, because it turns it into a quote unquote a masterpiece. The other thing I'm not wild about is if I open up the image in a new tab and then I go to download it, you can see here at the top, it says image is 256 by 256 pixels. That's pretty rinky dink. So if you're trying to make an art print for print on demand, it's not going to work. It's going to be really, really tiny. This might be good for say an avatar, or if you're on Facebook, you want to update your profile picture. So I would not recommend this for print on demand. Although it does look pretty neat. One little tip, or one hack, I guess, is you can zoom in. So I'm holding down the control key and the mouse wheel, and I'm making the picture bigger on the screen. And then you could open up a screen grab, and that might, I say might, make it a bit more high resolution. It all depends on your screen grabber. But again, there's only so many pixels inside the actual picture, so it may not be great. It is kind of a fun tool though, because you can go through the different filters down here at the bottom and you can pick something that maybe, doesn't look too bad. Let's try the last one here, which is the girl's face. I'm going to select from the library. We'll pick blue hair here. And we can see here the computer crops it so that it only shows her face. The one neat thing that this thing did is the original photo has a hand on it right against her ear, and the AI has removed it and replaced it with some sort of hair. I thought that was actually pretty neat. So I will say, this is not completely me, being negative. You'll notice our person here had glasses that were pretty tiny, like the frames themselves are not very well defined, and yet the AI did a good job of actually picking up the glasses in the rendering. So I will say that's impressive too. So look, with any free tool, you're going to see some positives and some negatives, and I want to show you a real review here with some positives and some negatives. So the positives is that it's free. It is fun, I will say. The downsides is sometimes the AI is really dumb, and the picture itself is quite tiny at 256 pixels. But anyway, it's free. I'll put a link in the video description below. If you're going to use this for commercial purposes, the website does ask you to buy images. And at the very bottom, there is other things as well. There's an AI draw, and I'll put a link to that at the end of this video too. That's a really neat tool. Check it out. Thanks a lot for watching, and check out this AI draw video if you're interested in more from this website.